Okay, doing another reaction video for someone I really find interesting. This is Carpetman.
Oh,
So here we go. I didn't tell them anything about him. We'll let them experience him for themselves.
Don't ask me why I'm wandering around you. I just fade away, baby, can you tell me why I'm falling back into this? I don't wanna stay there, can you tell me? How I feel around you. Your secrets I'm trying to figure out too. When I saw your shadow, girl, I couldn't let it go. I followed and I got lost. Then you hit me with a burning cold. Anyway, I love it. Whole and soul. Anyway, I love it. Day after day, you make me turn a blind eye to life. Anyway, I love it.
Same voice, same guy.
Anyway, I love it. Anyway, I love it. And it feels like if I read there for your eyes and set me free, and I will help you spread that silence. The devil trying to tell me wasn't worth it. Encourage me to worship him. Fake eyes from 1,000 demons, baby.
Right. You can't see him well, but he's a carpet man. All of his features are carpet. He's not white, he's not black. He's
just
carpet man. So I'll show you the picture after we're done with this. But
it's very soothing.
it is. All of his songs have a very
Slower
unusual,
pace to
slow
it, so,
pace,
yeah.
but yeah, he's definitely unusual.
I will call you healer. So let me take your remedy of my pain. But you said it again. You gotta stay in the game. I'll confess I'm scared. You're my best nightmare. My pleasure and my violence. Enlightenment. Even if I have to turn evil, I'm gonna be your Wendigo. The way you destroy my ego. When you hit me with a burning cold. Anyway, I love it. Whole and soul. Anyway, I love it. Burning cold. Anyway, I love it. Whole and soul. Anyway, I love it. Anyway, I love it.
I Yeah, I was trying to figure out. There's a couple ones.
That sounds similar.
The Take Me
Yeah,
to Church
but-
song, a couple other stuff.
Yeah.
Oh,
but
let's
that's
sign
cool.
off. I'll show you a picture of them.
See ya.
Adios.